happy birthday to
my multi-talented daughter.
Happy birthday, Soni Didi. You're an amazing cook. Thank you so much for all your yummy recipes. God bless. Love you. Bye.
thank you.
Happy birthday, my baby Nikita. Wishing you loads of happiness and joy on your 40th birthday. Hope you have another 40 more.
Gosh, Nix, you're turning 40. I mean, it's been such an amazing journey with you by my side. I am so grateful and thankful to have a fabulous friend like you. You have been such an inspiration over the past 23 years, always guiding me, showering me with your kindness, standing by me through thick and thin. You have been so loving, so caring and positive, and I have seen you grow from strength to strength. You're my family and you mean the world to me. Wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope it is the most spectacular year ever, ushering in a new decade, and I really do hope that we live up every single moment of it. Thank you so much for all that you do, and thank you so much for being a part of my life. I love you.
Happy 40th birthday, Nikki.
Happy birthday, Sony. God bless you. Yay! Happy birthday from Anika.
Hello, do you know who this is? Do you recognize me? Can you see it in my eyes? Or this eye? Huh? Or both eyes? Tell, can you recognize who this is? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Yes, see, I have tattoos since the time that we met last. Radhika wants me to send you some message with some memory and all. My memory is only full lost memory. So there are lots of happy memories from our past, but hope you are okay. Hope you are running around behind your children. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nikita. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Nikita, happy birthday! I know it's been such a long time. We're gonna meet soon. I'm sure all this will be behind us. But always remember that you just mean so much to me. Wishing you a very happy birthday and a great.
Hey, Nikki. Wish you a very happy birthday. I hope your day is as lovely as you are. Bye. Happy birthday, Soni.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Nikita. May this special day bring you endless joy and lots of precious memories. Wishing you the very best in life. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Nikki, here is wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you have the best possible day given our current quarantine situation. Eventually when this all lifts, I hope you're able to celebrate in the best possible way. When I think of all our times together, one thing that is top of recall, something that I'll never forget is those times that we spent those sleepovers at your place back when we were in college, and the amount of fun we had and all the nonsense that we did. And I'm so glad and thankful for that time that we were able to spend together. Anyway, sending you wishes all the way from here, a lot of love, and happy birthday.
Kita, this is Suzanne. Just wanted to wish you a fabulous 40th birthday and hope you have a great time with your family and friends. Bye.
Hi Nikita. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a lovely year ahead.
Hi Nikki,
happy birthday. I think filming this video has just taken me back like 20 years of knowing each other, and all those amazing college fun times that we've had together. Stayovers at your place, our industrial visits to, crazy. I remember we had like this one drive in the middle of the night where you took your car and we just drove through Brigade Road and MG Road at like 12 in the night. So yes, we've had some really good times, and you've been a great friend, but I think more importantly, you've been an amazing mother, wife, and a great support to your family. Your giving nature is extremely unique, and I simply love that. I hope you enjoy your birthday, have a fab birthday, and post lockdown we are definitely going to celebrate. Till then, virtual wishes to you and lots of hugs.
Hi, happy birthday, Nikita. It's been really long time. Hope you're having a good time and enjoy your special milestone 40th birthday. Take care. Keep in touch. Bye-bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Soni Didi.
God bless you with all the happiness.
Hey, look who's celebrating 4 decades of sheer awesomeness. It's your birthday, and wishing you loads of happiness and a blessed year ahead. Congratulations on the big 4. Stay safe and take care.
Hi Nikita, hope you're doing fine. A very happy 40th birthday. Have a great day and an awesome year ahead.
Hi Soni, wishing you a very happy birthday. From wearing the same twin dresses to being called twins and so much more. We've come a long way. Of all the birthdays, this one's going down in history for sure. Wishing you a very happy 40th, and let's have a big party once this is done. Have a great day.
Nikita, wish you a very happy birthday. May the milestone birthday bring you all the happiness, and wishing you a fun year ahead. Cheers.
Happy birthday, fellow backbencher. Have a wonderful day and year ahead.
Hi Nikita, wish you a very happy 40th. Have a wonderful day and a fabulous year ahead. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dearest Nikita. Happy birthday to you. A very special happy birthday to you, Nikita. Have a fantabulous one, and wishing you many more decades of love, joy, peace, and happiness always. Cheers.
Hey Nikita, what's up? How are you doing? Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead.
Hi Nikki, Ashla here. I know we haven't been in touch for many years. Just want to wish you on your birthday. Have a beautiful day and a year ahead, and stay safe.
Hi Nikita, hope you're doing good. It's been years since we actually met, but wish you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and a year ahead. Good luck and all the best.
Hey, lordy, somebody is 40. Hey Nikita, hope life is spoiling you with lot of love and happiness. I pray it continues to do the same. Wishing you a fantastic and a fabulous 40th birthday. God bless you. Remember, stay home and stay safe. Take care.
Hi Nikki! Happy 40th birthday, my Nikki D! Unbelievable! It's been so many years we are together. It seems like it was just yesterday that we met up and we started hanging out together. I really miss those days, going to Cake Basket for our sandwiches, going out, going for suttus, going for movies. Oh my god, the list is so big. I really miss you. Anyways, have a fabulous year, a fantastic one, and stay blessed. Miss you lots. Love you. Lots of hugs and kisses to you. Happy 40th birthday. Cheers.
Hey Nikita, this is Joan. Wishing you a happy birthday. They say 40 is the new 25, so you have many more years to go. Here's wishing you a lot of joy and happiness.
Hey Nikita, hi, this is Preeti here. It's been lovely knowing you, the good old college days, Mount Carmel's BBM. Happy birthday. I can't believe you're turning 40. Have a lovely birthday. Stay safe and stay healthy. Take care.
Hey Nikita, happy birthday. I can't believe it's been 18 years since you left college. And it's amazing how we've all still managed to be in touch in some way or the other. And we've always bumped into each other some way or the other. And now that we are entering our milestone year 40, here's hoping that it's a fantastic decade ahead. And it's exciting and good and positive in every way.
Happy birthday Nikita, hope you're having a great day and happy 40th birthday. Have fun.
Happy birthday Soni Didi. Hello sis, many more happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year ahead. Really, the bond we share is one of its kind, and I'm very happy to have a sister like you.
A very happy birthday, Soni Didi. So I really hope you have a great year ahead. And Mom, I really look up to you for a lot of things because Mom says we are really similar. So I hope to become a lot more like you in the near future. Have a great year. Happy birthday. Have an amazing day and a great year ahead. Like Maitri said, you and Sweetu Didi have been goals for us. So I hope someday we are like you all.
Bye. Have a wonderful year.
Hi Nikita. Happy 40th birthday. Wish you many more happy years ahead.
Hey Nikki, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. You know, they say you turn fabulous at 40, and I guess yes, life begins also at 40. So all best wishes to you for the next 40 years or so. It's probably been ages since we've connected or you've heard from each other, but I think this is a great surprise. I hope you enjoy all your birthday wishes from all over the world. Happy birthday again from Doha.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Nikita.
Hey Nikki, this is Bugs. I want to wish you a fabulous 40th birthday. Oh my god, I can't believe you're going to be 40 because you don't look a day over 20. I hope you have a wonderful birthday with your family and friends, and I hope you're bestowed with great health and happiness and everything that your heart desires. Happy birthday. Take care and have a wonderful year
Hi
ahead.
Nikki, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. God bless.
Hi Nikita, happy birthday. I know it's been like ages since we've all communicated, but here's wishing you lots of love, lots of luck, lots of happiness, health and safety, and wishing you all the best. BBM always, MCC, BBM, They have a very special place in my heart, and nothing can take it away. Lots of love, lots of luck.
Hey Nikita, happy 40th birthday. Hope you have a great year. God bless you. And say my hi to Vicky from my side. Alright, take care. God bless.
Happy 40th, Nikki. Wishing you the very, very best. Have a beautiful day, and may your 40s be the best years of your life. Always keep smiling, always be the same happy, cheerful, fun-loving girl that I've known for so long. It was absolutely lovely to catch up with you, Meher and Suja at the beginning of this year, and brought back our days of Sumi Nikki, which was centuries ago. Have a beautiful day, all the very best, and hope to see you soon. Lots of love and hugs from Abu Dhabi. Bye.
Hey there, happy birthday. When Kim reached out to me saying that they're putting a video together for your birthday, my mind first raced back to our teen years, where because of our birthdays being one day apart, it used to be a total 2-day fest, and all the happy times that we had in our teen years. There were just so many firsts that both of us did together, all the fun that we had, all the time that we spent together. And as you reach your 40th year, I want to wish you happiness, all the luck, and also a lot of fun in the years ahead. Also, I wanted to actually thank you for those early years. If there was one great best friend a person should have, I was so happy that that was you, because you were always so positive and accepting and fun to be with. I literally lived in your house and we did spend just so much time together. So happy birthday again and have a great year ahead.
Hi Nikki, many happy returns of the day. Hope you're doing good and have a wonderful day. Take care, bye-bye.
Hi Nikita, happy birthday. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Hello Nikita, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday Nikita, happy 40th birthday. Wishing you loads of happiness and love. Have an awesome day. Cheers.
Hi Nikki, many happy returns of the day. 4 decades. Yeah, it's a lovely day. Have a wonderful day and also have a wonderful year ahead. I'm in the range, in the mountain place of Chikmagalur, and I'm just remembering the first trek where we went, the KV Hills. I hope you remember.
Hi Nikita, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. It just makes me realize that we've been friends for the last 20 odd years, and I'm sure you must have had lovely memories of your past. One of the best memories that I can recollect was our Pondicherry trip, which we all had and planned together, and it was made instantly and we all had a great time. Wishing you many more such lovely memories in your future, and also wishing you great health, good luck and success for your future. And Radhika, hats off to you to organize all these things. Good to have such friends. Have a wonderful life, Nikita, ahead. Take care. God
Happy
bless.
birthday, Nikita. God bless you.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Nikki. You are a wonderful person. Wishing you abundance of love, happiness and good health always. Hope you have a fantastic year ahead and an awesome day with all your friends and relatives. Happy birthday once again, Nikki. Loads of love to you.
A huge big shout out to all you wonderful people. Thank you so much for doing this little video for Nikki and celebrating her 40th birthday. Here's a little surprise for you all. Okay, favorite college memory?
Going to Best Club on my 18th birthday.
Favorite study session?
Anyways, went off to sleep.
What does Vivs do that makes you laugh a lot?
He calls me Mama Mehta.